Brothers and sisters, this is a friendly reminder for our local union officers. Every IAFF local in the U.S. must have an employer identification number issued by the IRS. The EIN can be obtained online on the IRS's website. All IAFF locals in the U.S., regardless of size, are required to file some version of the Form 990 with the IRS annually. Any local failing to file for 3 consecutive years runs the risk of having their nonprofit status revoked. This can be very challenging to get back. Without this tax status, a local could be required to pay federal income tax on your members' dues at the corporate tax rate. If a local status is revoked, the local can request reinstatement by completing and filing the appropriate form and paying a fee. The Form 990 is due 5 months following the end of your local's fiscal year. For example, if your fiscal year ends December 31st, the filing is due May 15th. The form required depends on the size of your local's revenue. If your local has gross receipts less than or equal to $50,000, the Form 990N, as in Nancy, is required. For gross receipts less than $200,000 and total assets less than $500,000, the Form 990EZ or 990 is required. For gross receipts greater than or equal to $200,000 or total assets greater than or equal to $500,000, the Form 990 is required. A majority of our locals fall into the less than or equal to $50,000 category. The Form 990N is an online filing electronic postcard. A local officer must go online, create a login and a profile, and step-by-step instructions are provided on the IRS website. After a profile is created, the local officer can log in and file the e-postcard. You'll be asked to complete a few simple questions. This is just a little housekeeping to ensure that our locals are fiscally strong. If we are not fiscally strong, we cannot protect our membership. The link to the 990 forms and instructions can also be found on the General Secretary Treasurer's resource page. And remember to unite, fight, and organize.